Hello everyone. So yesterday I dyed my hair and I thought today I would talk about and show what I did for anyone who is interested. So I basically dyed my hair this medium classic chocolatey brown. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's kind of that perfect medium brown, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to dye my hair a natural color that I'm happy with sticking with because I just want to grow my hair out long and healthy, and I feel like this is a very manageable color, so it is exactly what I wanted and I'm really happy about it. So I thought I would talk about what I did and show you guys what I did for anyone who would like to do something similar. So basically, the background of my hair is hard to explain, but I'm going to try to explain it the best I can. I basically started with bright red hair, then I used soft black box dye. It was like a burgundy color, I didn't like it, so then I bleached that. It turned like neon pink. Then I used boxed brown dye, and that pink just did not want to budge. So then I decided to use Adore, which is what I'm going to be focusing on now because that's the last thing I did. So I actually ended up using 3 different shades of Adore hair dye, and each bottle is about $5, so the total was about $15, which honestly I think is a really good deal because you get so much dye in each bottle. But you don't have to use 3 different shades. It really depends on what you're going for. If you want exactly the color that I have, then you can just follow what I did. I just kind of wung it, to be honest. But if you like the result and you want this color, then you can just do what I did. I feel like any variation of these 3 dyes would be good, so feel free to get creative, but if you want to do what I did, you can definitely do that. So yeah, I will just tell you guys exactly how much I used of each, and then I will show you guys the whole process, and you can kind of see what it looks like. It's really hard to tell how it's gonna look when you mix these together because they're so dark, so you can't really look at the dye and get much of an idea of how it will look because it's just so dark. So yeah, basically I used all of Honey Brown. It's in the number 48. I used about half, I would say, of cinnamon in the number 58, maybe a little more than half, about half though. And then I used a little less than half of mocha, 107. I feel like if I were to do this again, maybe I would have used less of mocha just because it darkened a little more than I thought it would, but I would have rather had it darken a little too much than not enough and then have to get a bunch more dye. So I'm definitely okay with it being a little bit darker, plus it's semi-permanent dye will fade to exactly the lightness that I want. So yeah, maybe I would have used a little less mocha, maybe I would have used a little more cinnamon to give more of a red tone. Maybe I would have just used cinnamon and mocha and not honey brown. I don't know, there's just so many possibilities. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I feel like for my first attempt at mixing these 3 dyes, which I don't think I've used any of them before. Maybe I've used cinnamon because I used to have copper hair and I used to use Adore for that. Adore is the best hair dye for copper, just FYI. If you ever go copper, use Adore, it's the best. So I maybe used cinnamon for that, I can't remember, but I never used mocha, I never used honey brown. This was kind of a risk for me. But yeah, that's basically all I did, so I will show you guys the video of me actually dyeing my hair, and hopefully you can get a good idea of how much I used of each.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed. see if I believe they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it all. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
So I hope that this video was helpful to someone. Let me know what your thoughts are on Adore Hair Dye, because personally I think that it is so underrated. It is so good, it is so affordable, it makes my hair feel so healthy, and honestly I feel like it is probably the best semi-permanent hair dye out there, and it doesn't get the attention it deserves. So let me know what you guys think of Adore Hair Dye if you have not used it, and if you haven't, you should use it. It is so good. But yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to someone. Thank you so much for watching. I am losing my voice. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.